Hi guys, today I want to show you how I make a mold, and I do this mold making nearly 4 years, and this product is, I love it because it's very soft, very flexible. If you do resin, it's absolutely easy to use and it takes shape very beautifully. So this is whatever it left, I did that one. So today I want to show you, because I was trying to make a mold from this little bottle. It's absolutely beautiful Polycraft mix, which I use many years. Polycraft silicone rubber and silicone catalyzed, something like that. Okay, so let's start it, guys. Very small. I couldn't find anything. I only found this one for cleaning my lens and this one. So I'm gonna put this one here like that, and I will put something like a metal thing to make sure that it doesn't touch the ground. Make sure to prepare where you're gonna pour and take a mold, okay? Because this bottle is really small, as you see, it's like my finger maybe. So the bottom shouldn't be touched the ground. Make sure to hang something like that and pour the rubber, okay? Make sure to properly measure everything before you do. That's really good. One here goes, and put this one little amount. Mix it properly. Mix properly until it takes pink color. Okay guys, but you need to make sure to mix properly. If you don't mix properly, it will not dry. Silicone gonna be very like a jelly. Okay, well, that's pink color now. And now we slowly put this one in there. Here we're gonna pour it slowly, very slowly, don't rush. It's very tiny. So guys, we're gonna see now how our mold it's left overnight, and let's see. So that's guy just to do mold. This is I'm gonna do next video. See, it's beautiful. You can make like that shapes wherever you want. It's gonna be really beautiful. Thank you for watching. Bye.